So welcome for another physics lesson. We are continuing with the use of density bottle in the calculation of densities of liquids. Therefore, in this case, I want us to take an example because I have already described how the density bottle is used. We can now see an example so that we understand more. So let me read out an example, then we operate it together and we see how to determine the density of the liquid. The mass, the example is here. The mass of an empty density bottle is 20 grams. 20 grams. 70 grams when full of water. When full of water, and 55 grams when full of a second. When full of a second liquid. When full of a second liquid. Calculate the density of the liquid. Calculate the density of the liquid. Calculate the density of the liquid. Let's see how to go about a question of this nature. We are already given the mass of an empty density bottle. Okay, in brackets we can have density of water provided. Is 1 gram per cubic centimeter. 1 gram per cubic centimeter. So in this case, O's density is known, and we have a second liquid, O's density is being determined. Therefore, we have the mass of the empty density bottle and mass when full of water, which means we can get mass of water. Mass of water can be determined because a density bottle, when water is measuring 70, and when it is empty, it's measuring 20, which means water alone or water independently measures 50 grams. Water independently measures 50 grams. So if and we know the density of water, then it means volume of water can be determined. This means if we can determine volume of water, that water is the one which has filled the density bottle, which means that. And again, because the second liquid fills the same density bottle, then the volume of the second liquid will seal with that volume of water. Therefore now, because we know that volume is given by mass divided by density, we can get volume of water by taking the mass out of the density. So a mass of 50 grams divided by a density of 1 gram per cubic centimeter, we get a volume of 50 cubic centimeter. This means volume of density bottle, because the density bottle has been filled using water, is the same as volume of the liquid. The liquid whose density is volume of the liquid, which will be 50 cubic centimeters. Then now with the volume of the liquid, we can get its mass. We are told from the experiment it is found that when full of another liquid, it is measuring 55 grams, and when empty, it was 20, which means mass of liquid. Mass of the liquid will be 55 minus 20 when the density bottle is empty, and independently that liquid will have a mass of 35 grams. So with the mass of this liquid, and we have seen the volume, Now we can calculate density. We can now calculate density. So density of the liquid given by mass over volume. Mass over volume, because according to definition, we know that volume is mass per unit volume. Therefore, a mass of 35 and a volume of 50 will give us a density of 0.7 grams per cubic centimeter. 0.7 grams per cubic centimeter. So that is how we use the density bottle in the determination of volume of given liquids. Thank you for following. Kindly subscribe to Shifting Grades and share the link with your friends. Thank you very much.